Hi
everyone, my name is Saloni and I welcome you all to my channel 5am Club. I hope you're in the pink of your health, and this video is going to be dedicated about the Bocconi test. All the information is stated as a fact in this video, and the ones who do not know what is Bocconi test, let me tell you that Bocconi test is an entrance test which is conducted for admissions in SDA Bocconi Asia Center, which is in Mumbai. The main college is in Italy, but I'm going to tell you about SDA Bocconi Asia Center. Okay, so the purpose of making this video was when I sat for my test and I couldn't find much resources, so I thought that I'll make a video upon qualifying this test, which I definitely did. And so I thought that this informative video will help lot many aspirants out there who are, who have vision to sit for this test. So I hope that this video is going to be helpful for you. So SDA Bocconi Asia Center accepts lots of scores for their IMB program, the CAT, GMAT, GRE, NMAT, and their own Bocconi test. So अगर किसी का भी CAT में, NMAT में स्कोर कम होता है, then they are asked to appear for Bocconi test, or in other case, if a candidate directly wants to join that college, they can also sit for Bocconi test. Okay, so the communication happens through email. They update everything regarding your test details. The college's cutoff are not stated as such on their website. They do not state cutoff, but a good score is always helpful in order to avoid attempting this test after your CAT or NMAT. If your NMAT score is around 227 plus, then you do not need to attempt Bocconi test. But if it's lower than that, they will definitely ask you to attempt Bocconi test. Okay. So the results definitely take max to max 2 to 3 days, but in case you don't receive any email regarding your results, you should directly contact them through email, their admissions team. They are ideally very responsive, so you do not need to worry much about that. Now let's see Bocconi test paper pattern. There are 3 sections: verbal reasoning 19 minutes, numeric reasoning 25 minutes, and inductive reasoning 25 minutes with 18 questions each. You can choose the order of the exam. When I appeared, I chose number 1 numeric reasoning, number 2 inductive reasoning, number 3 verbal ability. But it all depends upon you. You can choose howsoever you want the order of the test. There is no negative marking, so try to attempt all the questions in time because it's a speed based test and you won't have much time. As you can see in paper pattern that I mentioned, the timings are somewhat changed. I mean, you won't get exact timings as I mentioned because सबके test में थोड़ा difference होता है. Because mocks में या test में मैंने difference देखा है, and then other resources when I tried to find out, there were differences in time, but it's not more than 70 minutes. Okay, just keep in mind that you have 67 to 70 minutes and not more or less than that. Depending upon the questions, yeah, time is sufficient if you have speed, but do try to focus on speed and accuracy because both are important. In this video mein not only I'm going to talk about the pattern or the details of the exam, but also I'll try to give you somewhat clear-cut idea which will help you to analyze कि कैसे questions आते हैं generally इस test में. So talking about the quant section, the numeric ability section, the section is easy to moderate. So if you are somewhat good at maths, you do not need to worry much about it. Just be in hand practice and you will be able to get it. Some of the topics that usually have a lot of questions in this test are probability, averages, ratio, mixtures, then it's time, speed and distance, then quadratic, modulus, factors, and percentage, profit and loss. Yeah, these topics इन सब से क्वेश्चंस आते ही आता है. So and yes, the data interpretation is also asked in this section only, in numeric reasoning section. Okay, now pause the video and try to solve. Some of these numeric reasoning questions will give you an idea. It is from their own mock, so do practice these. Moving on to the inductive reasoning section, I got 10 questions straight from abstract reasoning, which was pattern based. So yes, I did. And उसमें मतलब होता है ना कि इतने स्पीड में करते करते you tend to feel exhausted or tired, but ठीक है, have patience and you will be able to get it right. बहुत ज़्यादा टफ नहीं होता है. It's a moderate level questions difficulty. And rest questions were from statement based decision making, drawing inferences, blood relations. A book that you can refer for practicing these types of questions is this, A Modern Approach to Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. The verbal ability section is also moderate, and if you are well at English, you will be able to get through. But if not, at least focus on these topics like parajumbles, prepositions, statement of conclusions, and inference-based questions. These questions, these topics hold a lot of weightage in this test, and it's doable. It's pretty doable. On my test day, I received a mail asking me to join 5 minutes prior my test for the verification through my Aadhaar card. Face and audio verification is the needful required. The test is to be attempted through desktop. You are required to turn screen share on, and the test is computer adaptive, but the question paper isn't same for every candidate out there. So before appearing for test, do try to attempt all the mock questions and example questions available on their website, because sometimes 1 or 2 exact questions from there arises in the main test. So this was all you needed to know about the Bocconi test to qualify this test, and I hope this video would have given you a better insight upon everything, इसका पेपर पैटर्न या क्या, बिकॉज इसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन है नहीं इंटरनेट पे. सो आई ट्राई टू गैदर फ्रॉम ऑल सोर्सेज एंड माई पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस एज वेल, बिकॉज मैंने पहले ही सोच के रखा था कि जिस दिन मेरे से ये एग्ज़ाम क्लियर हो जाएगा, ये वाला टेस्ट, आई मीन Bocconi test, so I'll be making a video on that, and yeah, I'm doing it today. So I hope it helped you somehow. I don't know if it was your preference or not, but yeah. Also, next video I'll be making upon all about SDA Bocconi Asia Center College, उसके बारे में. So stay tuned, because that will be very informative one. ठीक है, तुम्हें एक प्रॉपर इंसाइट मिल जाएगा about that college. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and अगर कोई भी doubts हो तो comments and अगर कोई भी doubt हो तो comment your views below. I'll respond as soon as possible, and I'll see you guys in the next video next week. Okay, so bye, take care, see ya, tata.